Taxland, Dan the Taxman Urban here, tax resolution attorney with Community Tax. Today I'm going to be telling you all about the process of receiving a stimulus check. If you've come to this video, I'm guessing that you have not received your stimulus check yet, so I want to make sure you have the most up-to-date information on the status of stimulus checks. I want to let you know the fastest way to get your stimulus check, and if you're waiting on that paper check, I want to give you a better idea about when you can expect to receive that paper in the mail. Now, the first step to determining when you're going to get your money is to look at your eligibility. Remember, you have to be eligible. The basic parts of the eligibility is you have to have filed either your 2018 or 2019 tax return, and you have to be under certain income limits. Now, I'm not going to go into those precise income limits on this video. We did it in a separate video, but make sure that you qualify for the stimulus first. Next, you want to try and make it so that you get direct deposit. If you get direct deposit, you're going to get your stimulus money a lot faster. I myself filed my return in March. I had a refund. I entered my my direct deposit information, and I got my stimulus payment on April 15th. So several weeks ago, I was already paid. And I want to make sure you have, again, the tools to make sure you're getting paid as fast as I did from Uncle Sam. Now, the fastest way to make sure that the IRS has your direct deposit information and gives you your stimulus check as soon as possible is to have your direct deposit, your bank, routing, and account number on your tax return for either 2018 or 2019. As long as one of those are on file, that's where the IRS is going to send it. Now, if you filed a 2018 or 2019, had a balance due, or forgot to include your direct deposit information, the fastest way to get that information to the IRS is to go to the IRS website. It's irs.gov/coronavirus, and then go to the Get My Payment link. Now, once you're there, you're going to have to give some information: your social, your date of birth, your street address, and zip code from your last filed tax return. If you enter that, you can get into the IRS system. It will let you know the status of your stimulus payment, and it will allow you to input direct deposit information, and that's going to make your check get to you way faster than if you're waiting for a paper check. Also, keep in mind that if you are on VA benefits, Social Security, or railroad retirement, you don't have to file. You probably do not have a filing requirement. You will still get your check or your direct deposit in the same manner that you receive your benefits. If there is any information that you'd like the IRS to still have, there is another resource on the exact same website, irs.gov/coronavirus, that will allow you to input information to make sure, once again, you're getting that check just as quickly as possible. Now, if none of those apply to you and you're waiting for a paper check, then I've got some bad news. So the IRS can only send out 5 million checks a week. And for the tens of millions of Americans that are waiting for checks, that's going to result in quite a bit of delay for a lot of these checks, especially if you earn at the higher limits of the qualification for the stimulus. So we're able to estimate a little bit based on the number of Americans we're thinking are going to receive checks. And this is about when you should expect to receive your paper check if you cannot give your direct deposit information to the IRS. If you made up, the IRS's goal is to give checks to those who need it most. So the less you earn, the sooner you're going to get your stimulus check. If you made up to about $20,000 on your 2018 or 2019 return, you should get your check mailed to you this week. If you made up to $50,000, I wouldn't expect to get your check until the end of May. If you made up to $100,000, you shouldn't expect to get your check up until about the end of June, up to $140,000 about the end of July, $190,000 about the end of August, and anything above that, assuming you still qualify, you shouldn't expect to get your check until about the middle of September. And if you have any questions on the IRS stimulus programs, or if you want to get the ball rolling on your stimulus check by filing your 2018 or 2019 tax return, give us a call. Community Tax, the trusted experts for tax resolution and tax preparation services. We are 844-254-3398. Give us a call. Everyone, this is Dan, the Taxman Urban, tax resolution attorney with Community Tax. I hope you've enjoyed the information here. Please check out some of my other videos on the most current tax topics. And if you like what you saw, please give us a subscribe, give us a like, and I hope to see you next time.